Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, just wanted to share a story on testament to good customer service, getting things shipped out on time, and going above and beyond other sellers, and how you can make even more money. So, these three boxes have those 2.5, I think it was either 2021, 2022 marine metals that are made out of silver, and there was only 10,000 that were minted. And had six of them, and three have already sold to one gentleman in Alaska. But basically, he contacted me and said, "Hey, what's the best price you can do on these to Alaska?" Because I think a lot of eBay sellers disclude Alaska because the shipping costs, and also like potentially it could take so long to ship that the 30 days rule applies, and so if they don't get it within 30 days, the customer automatically claims it as not received, and so you could have some technicalities there. But basically, what I did was these three boxes are going to go in a medium flat rate, and they're just barely going to fit. But I can actually save on cost versus ground going priority flat rate. And the gentleman's getting this for 720 shipped, and this is my second box of three going out to him. So I'm trying to think about my profits here. I made about $180 per box. So roughly around $60 a metal, which isn't too bad. And also, like his name had a Marine Corps um, type resemblance to it, and so I'm more than willing and supportive to send those medals to him. So glad he can enjoy them, and I think he's going to give them out as gifts. Some of them, a couple others are going to represent himself and his boys, I guess, which is cool. And so it's always nice to meet those people. And I think the key is if you can create a connection with these customers. Granted, not too many of my eBay customers are repeat customers, but if I can catch them in a niche where I have not one offs, but like I have a quantity of six, right? If they see that it's a good deal and I deliver on time, you're more likely to get an additional purchase. And it's super easy. And saved on shipping too because if I sent these each individually, maybe it'd be $20 to $40 depending where it goes. So I just ended up paying two shipments on the medium flat rate. I think it equaled to $20 or $30, but also you gotta think of insurance for $720 worth of product. So this is shipment one or two of two. There's a previous one that went out, same amount, but just treat your customers right, and if you have enough product, they'll definitely come back to you and purchase. So hang in there, guys. If you're flipping, reselling on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, it comes in droves. I've been pretty slow this week, but I'm gonna say after New Year's it's gonna pick up again. That's usually how it works. So I'll keep it up at 4 minutes and have a good New Year. See ya.